मिलना और बिछड़ना है, बस यहाँ 3 जन्म दिखाए गए हैं, उसमें 10 साल या 15 साल का जो भी आपने दोनों में वो जो पूरा गैप था वो था।
जी
You want me to take this?
एक्चुअली
Okay, carry on.
तू डायरेक्टर है यार तू।
मिलना और बिछड़ना तो हर लव स्टोरी में होती है, whether it's दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, or it's कुछ कुछ, or it's हम तुम, or it's फना, or it's वीर ज़ारा, कोई भी आप पॉपुलर लव स्टोरी ले लीजिए, जो भी ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट लव स्टोरी है, or whether it's Romeo Juliet written by Shakespeare 200 years ago, लव स्टोरी इज ऑल अबाउट मिलना और बिछड़ना, लेकिन कैसे मिलते हैं, कैसे बिछड़ते हैं, कैसे प्यार होता है, वो हर लव स्टोरी में अलग है। तो डेफिनेटली इस फिल्म में भी वही उतने ही ज़्यादा डिफरेंसेस हैं शायद। ओके, एंड वील जस्ट पॉज फॉर 2 seconds एंड इंट्रोड्यूस प्रियंका चोपड़ा। You're sitting here. Come. Please just okay. Come sit. हाँ. एक साथ में पिक्चर हो जाए. एक साथ में हो जाए पिक्चर. चलो. सामने सामने. चलिए. Okay. Taylor.
Nice.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Hi.
Good evening. My question is to both Shahid and Priyanka Chopra. Hi, this is Vikram from NDTV. To your right.
Wave, Vikram, wave.
I'm waving. Okay, wave, wave, wave. To your right, to your right, to your right, to your right, to your right.
There. Flash your phone.
Flashing my phone. Thank God it's just the phone.
Yeah. Don't flash any more than your phone.
Anyway, the year was 2009. The film was Kamine, and you two were the actors. We still remember Sweetie and Guddu. Do you think that this film we'll also remember the characters? There are almost 3 of them for each of you.
We're hoping we'll at least get one out of them. Like, we had only one in Kamine, and well, it's very kind
You
of
had
just-
2.
Yeah, actually,
He had 2.
Yeah, she had
That's
only
not
one.
fair.
She's right. Huh? I'm playing so many parts in so many movies, you know. It's a release after a while, so yeah.
But you know what was amazing about Kamine and the chemistry in Kamine? Okay, they were only together in 7 scenes, right?
8.
8 scenes. They were only together in 8 scenes, and still their chemistry was sizzling. So in my film, they're together for about 75 scenes. That's sizzling chemistry.
But it's still a very short film, FYI.
Yeah.
Okay, to keep this completely hypothetical, I mean, this is a film about 2 people who meet, 3 times. So given a chance, will Shahid Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra date each other 3 times? I mean,
3 different lifetimes?
3 different lifetimes, yes.
Janam Janam ka saath. Hypothetically, what do you think?
I think that this is the film that we're endorsing, so of course, that is, we believe in Janam Janam Ka
Yeah, we
Saath.
believe in it. We endorse it completely. Kunal Kohli, we believe in you, man.
Thank you. So maybe somewhere in 1910, it was Shahid and PC.
Hi, my question is for Priyanka.
I need to see you.
Priyanka here. Yeah. To
Okay,
your
I still
right.
can't see you.
To your right and flashing.
Yeah, there you go. Flashing the phone is a very good idea, guys.
Okay, but the thing is, everybody wants to know here, who are the friends who've been talking on your behalf to the tabloid?
Can we just restrict it to
To
only Teri
add-
Meri Kahani questions, please? Seriously. Because we're not talking about anything else except Teri Meri Kahani. I'd request you to please restrict it to that. Thank you. Okay. Next question, please.
प्रियंका, यही सवाल आपसे भी है जो मैंने शायद से पूछा कि प्यार में आपका कितना यकीन है और आप किसे सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं?
सबसे पहले तो I'm really sorry everyone that I got late. मेरी शूटिंग चलती जा रही थी और राकेश सर को बोलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है कि सर कहीं जाना है. But so I'm really apologetic for arriving here late to everybody on the stage as well. Secondly, प्यार में बहुत विश्वास रखती हूँ मैं. I think as cliched as it sounds, it's become a cliche because it's true. Love makes the world go round. And बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ और लिस्ट ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं है, but it starts with my family.
Hi, Shahid.
I think सबसे easy would have been 2012 मेरे लिए because it's very contemporary और हम लोग की आजकल की ज़िंदगी. but yet it was difficult because उसमें it's very conversational and very natural. तो वो करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. But in the other two periods, which is 1960 and 1910, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया because I play completely different characters. And 1910 में मैं एक फटाकड़ी पंजाबी लड़की play करती हूँ who gets really scared of her father. किसी से डरती है वो. And
Which is definitely not like you, Priyanka.
I get scared of my father.
Yes, of course.
What? And in 1960 मैं बहुत अदब से बात करने वाली, अदब से पेश आने वाली एक film
Which is
actress.
also definitely not like you, Priyanka.
What is like me?
But she's playing a very big star, which is true.
Hi, Shahid.
I'm a struggling musician, so which is also Aspas. The first half works.
Shahid, yeah, Shahid. Hi. Yeah, I don't know if you realized, but when the trailer released this afternoon, it was trending on Twitter, both in India and worldwide.
Yeah. There were enough people in my team to tell me that it had happened, and they were all very excited and jumping around, including Kunal.
Yeah.
The first one to tell me was Kunal, and we were all very excited and very happy about it.
We were all really thrilled because in 15 minutes of launching the trailer, without having this press conference, without it actually going online in a big way, we just like did a soft launch of the trailer, and in 15 minutes we were trending worldwide. We were number 4 or something, right? One of yeah, which was.
And Kunal is very competitive. He's going to make sure it reaches 1. He's very competitive.
So I just
Who are we
wanted
competing with? Does anybody know?
I just wanted
Some
to
French
ask.
name.
Open challenge.
I just wanted to ask you, your shenanigans have like gone wild, trending it very honestly. They've been planning it. So anything you'd like to say to them? They've really like.
I am the hugest fan of all these guys, the Shenanigans, and they are a huge source of inspiration for me because I think in the last couple of years I've just had 2 films, and so you know there is this constant positive energy that they keep sending towards me, and I feel very touched. Very touched by the kind of love that they shower upon me and upon my work, and it's a beautiful one feeling, which is so yeah. So I'm hugely thankful to them, and I am who I am because of the kind of love that they shower upon me. So thank you to all of them.
Hi Priyanka, Kunal from iCan7. Hi.
हाँ, right next to you.
प्रियंका एक स्टोरी में आप राधा
Artist का नाम है राधा, आराधना और रुखसार, and इनके characters का नाम है जावेद, गोविंद and क्रिश.
आप प्रियंका एक सवाल और कारण ने ट्विटर पे जो लिखा आपको दुख हुआ है उससे आप फिर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I think let's just restrict it to all our questions on Teri Meri Kahani, please. Thank you.
जी अभी उन्होंने कहा फिल्म के बारे में सवाल पूछते हैं, इसका फिल्म से कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
But it's very
यार
suspicious.
मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा था, बॉल लग गई मेरे हाथ पे, मैंने बैंडेज बांध लिया. Nothing
exciting.
Nothing exciting.
प्रियंका हाय. प्रियंका यहाँ पर.
Left. हाँ मिली.
हाँ. प्रियंका कभी आप 12 किरदार निभाती हैं, कभी 7 और इसमें 3. क्या है इतने सारे किरदारों को कैसे?
What's
What's
your
your
Rashi?
Rashi? Oh yes.
But actually, you know, here she's actually one person.
कौन कुणाल? ये फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले बताना चाहिए था.
It's one soul.
मेरे लिए था जैसे 3 फिल्मों को एक फिल्म में करना, क्योंकि ये तीनों कहानियाँ एकदम सेपरेट हैं, सेपरेट जिंदगियाँ हैं, सेपरेट लव स्टोरीज हैं. तो 3 फिल्में कुणाल ने एक साथ लिखी हैं, एक ही आई थिंक रूह के बारे में, एक ही जैसे हम लोग कि जन्म जन्म का साथ होता है जब आप किसी से प्यार करते हैं, तो उसी से इंस्पायर होकर ये कहानी बनी है.
And the funniest thing was when I went to narrate to PC, I told her it's about 3 lives, 3 characters, this, that. She said, "Bas, 3."